Economic Chapter 1, Class and Development Solution. Development of a country can generally be determined by its capita per income, its average literacy level, health status of the people. All of the above. All of the above. Which of the following neighboring countries has better performance in terms of human development than India? Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan. Sri Lanka. Assuming there are four families in the country, the average per capita income of this family is rupees 5,000. If the income of the three families is 4,000, rupees 7,000, rupees 3,000 respectively, what is the income of the fourth family? Rupees 7,000, rupees 3,000, rupees 2,000, 6,000, rupees 6,000. The total income of the three family is 14,000 and the fourth income of the family is X divided by 4 is equal to 5,000 is given. So 14,000 plus x is equal to 5,000 into 4. X is equal to 20,000 minus 14,000. So x will be 6,000. What is the main creation used by the World Bank in classifying different countries? What are the limitations of criterion, if any? The World Bank used per capita income to classify different countries. The per capita income is calculated by the dividing total income of the country by the population of the country for the year 2017. The countries with per capita income of US 12,056 per annum were declared rich country and the country with per capita income of US 955 or less are called low income country. The limitations of the creation are other important factors including literacy rate, infant mortality rate, healthcare are ignored while classifying the country. Information about the unequal distribution of income is not mentioned by the World Bank. The economic of the country cannot determine the development of the country. In what respect is the criterion used by the UNDP for measuring development different from the one used by World Bank? The criterion used by UNDP is different from the one used by World Bank because UNDP compresses country based on the educational level of the people, their health status, per capita income. This is the this is in contrast with the method used by World Bank because World Bank only calculate per capita income for measuring development. Why do we use averages? Are there any limitations to their use? Illustrate with your own example related to development. Development countries have a different population, so calculate the average help in getting an estimate answer, which can be used to compare different things at different level. There are limitations of calculating average because we cannot know the difference in the income of the people and the unfair distribution of income in a country or state. The example, if we calculate per capita income of two countries A and B with five people each, the salary of the five people in a country A is rupees 23,000, rupees 22,000, rupees 23,500, rupees 28,000 and 25,000. What is the income of the country B? The income of country B was 1,50,000, rupees 23,000, rupees 50,000 and rupees 4,000 and rupees 22,500. The average income of the country A will be rupees 24,300 and that of B will be 45,700. This provides that average country B has higher than the of country A and yet there is disparity in the income distribution of the country B and the income is evenly distributed in country A. Kerala, with the lower per capita income, has a better development ranking than Haryana. Hence, the per capita income is not useful creation at all. And why should not be used to compare state? Do you agree, discuss? Kerala, with lower per capita income, has a better human development ranking than Haryana. Hence, the per capita income is not a useful creation at all and should not be used to compare state. This is true because the facility because the literacy level, infant mortality rate, healthcare facilities, etc., are better in Kerala in comparison to Haryana. Per capita income is only calculated by calculating the average income of the state, irrespective of any other factor. Find out the present source of energy that are used by the people in India. What could be the other possibilities 50 years from now? The present source of energy used by the people in India, including firewood, coal, petroleum, crude oil, and natural gas. The other possibilities 50 years from now can be used solar energy and wind energy as a source of various energy forms. This is because the current use of source energy may be result the loss of the resource for future generations. Why is the issue of sustainable important for development? Sustainable development refer to the using natural resource in a manner so that they can be used by the present and future generation. The issue of sustainability is important for development because if the natural resource are not used carefully, they may not be able for future generations. The depleted resource of a country may unlimitedly result in the lack of development of country. Earth has enough resource to meet the need of all, but not to satisfy the greed of every one person. How is the statement relevant? The discussion of development discussed. The development did not just depend on the economic factor of a country, but is also depend on the resources that are available for the people of a country to use. The statement the earth has enough resource to meet that need to all, but not enough to satisfy the greed of even one person, is completely relevant in terms of development of a country because natural resources are non-renewable resources. It is the responsibility of the people to use them only to meet their need and not to satisfy their greed. If natural resources are not used wisely now, the future generation may not be able to use them for their need, which will result in the downfall of development of a country.